Hi, to use App Drawer on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10, as a first step, you will need to swipe up from your home screen and now you can see your App Drawer. If nothing happens when you are swiping up, then maybe App Drawer is disabled in your case. So to enable it, you'll need to go to your home screen and here use this pinch gesture so we can see this edit mode. Now choose settings and go in home screen layout. Make sure that you set up this home and app screens because if you select home screen only, then you won't be able to swipe up to enable app drawer, just this search bar, and all of your apps will be displayed right on the home page, okay? So let's just go back and select app drawer. So I'm gonna choose home and app screens, apply, and now let's swipe up. So here, depending on how many apps you have, you can swipe up to check all of them, swipe left or right, but I got not so many apps, so they are displayed right here. Here we can also see some default folders as Samsung, Google, Microsoft and Galaxy Pix. We can select this folder, tap on the plus and add something from the list. For example, let's add Google Assistant to this Google folder. And now just tap the done button to save the changes and yep, here it is, just appeared in this folder. We can also change its color if we just tap this circle icon. And here select any other option from the list or you can just create your own color, then tap done and this is how it will look now. Of course, you can add those apps to your homepage. For that, let's select an app first. For example, I'm gonna choose YouTube Music and now to add it, we would need to press and hold it and drag it to the homepage. Let me show you this once more because I accidentally created a folder. So let me just remove it. Let's go back to the app drawer and now we need to hold it. And first thing we can see is select add to home, uninstall and widgets. So you can use this add to home button and it would be added to the free space. You can also press and hold it and drag it manually to any other page from the list, and to remove it from your home page you will need to hold it and select this recycle bin, an option to remove. Don't confuse it with uninstall one because if you select uninstall you will uninstall this app. So to remove it just from the home page, you need to select remove, but it will be in your app drawer. And also just take a look at this upper panel. Here you can use the search bar to find an app manually. So here searches will include your apps, app content and files in storage. So also you can use voice input here by tapping this icon and now you should say something and it would be displayed right here. Great. And last thing we can see here is those three dots. Let's tap on them and we can go in settings, choose apps to search in, but this is for the search bar, so let's just exit this search bar. I'm gonna use this arrow to go back and tap on the three dots from here. And now we got this option sort, clean up pages and settings. So let's use sort first. And here we got custom order or alphabetical order. So if we tap on it, all of the apps will be displayed in alphabetical order. Now let's tap on the three dots again. We can tap sort, select custom, and now this cleanup pages appear. So we can tap on it. And now items on the screen will be rearranged to fill in any empty spaces between them. So let's tap OK. And in my case, there is no changes. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.